Hello, good day. Today I'm going to share about the asset allocation for Q4 of 2025, which is now only left with 2 more months to go. So let's go. So firstly, in the asset allocation, the overall portfolio have gained another 4% to 29 since its inception in September 2023. So over the last reporting period of July to now, basically the equity portion and crypto have the highest gain of about 71%. So currently the equity and crypto is going back to about near to 8%. And dividend gain is also increasing because some of the gain from equity have moved into buying dividend stock. Overall, the asset and long term have reduced because their gain is much more lower or slower than the hype that we are seeing in the market now. So this is the 1 year return on the equity. So it's drawing about 143% as of October 13. And since the date of 17 September, some of the trading gain have been shared over here. So on a daily basis, there are quite a good gain, about a few hundred to 1,000 level. And these are the gain also that is registered in IBKR. And on 10th of October, the day where the market has some volatility, so the gain was about $800 as well. So looking into QQQ is now still in the channel above the moving average. There's some volatility that is occurring over here. And basically, I will be looking at the support at the region of 600. If the support is broken, then of course I may sell some of my holding and then keep and preserve cash. Next, let's look into the 3x semiconductor. 3x semiconductor have now reached the midpoint of the long-term box style. So basically in the past, when it reached about $70, there is a strong so-called retracement back to about $10. Today we're at 40. So between 70 and 10 is roughly in the mid-range area. Next, let's look into Hansing. Hansing, if you look into the July update, I mentioned about Hansing retracing back to the green line. And as of today, Hansing is retracing back to this green line. Therefore, I'll be looking for a certain support in the 24,000 area for the Hansing. So in short, the fear and greed indices have went back to fear, which actually made below the fear as extreme fear in the last few days. So talk about fear and greed, it can always be maintaining in extreme greed. It can also be maintaining in extreme fear for many days. But what it meant over here is if it is over in the extreme area, one of this day, it will reverse. So in short, the portfolio summary, firstly, the property market remained very stable in Q4, providing good steady capital and of course potential rental yield. Going into 2026, we may see some turbulence, so therefore in Q1 of 2026, it's good to actually relook into the whole portfolio allocation and balancing. Dividend portfolio as usually is evergreen, continue to perform very well as well. So in Q1 2026, I will be reviewing the rates area because the dividend that's paid from rate is coming down. So I may have to relook into the sector exposure or even holding more cash. Third, in the crypto market, I think it's showing bullish momentum. In the July sharing, which I will share again later on before I close this video, I have mentioned that in Q4, basically there will be one all-time high, and then I won't be further accumulating the crypto coin at this stage. As for Hansing, is performing as projection, so I'll look into taking action as where I projected for Hansing for this year. As for trading outlook, because the performance target are considerably met, Therefore, I may close my position earlier to lock in the gain and preserve capital. And definitely, it's a good time also to think about taking some rest from the continuous trading effort, which is also very tiring at the same time, very taking a lot of time as well. So let's look into the July video where I shared, and then wish you have a good trading time.
Hello, good day. I'm going to share with you on the asset. So for the past year of trading, I trade roughly, I think, about 1,200 to 1,500 trades. And during the period of downturn, I have also reduced my trade to 100 trade for the first 5 months, from January to May 7. So around this period of time, it's very important that as we go into second half, that there will be time where the market will be very volatile as well. So one area, hold more cash. Second area, trade lesser. So in short, I think for the second half, property market value will be stabilizing as well. Dividend portfolio and also on the long-term growth area, I will be continue to doing my dollar cost averaging on quarterly basis. Crypto has shown sign of bullishness, and I would think that it will reach another all-time high or two or three more all-time high from now until October 2023. And as for option trading, it will continue to provide very good sustainable income.
So welcome back. That's what I shared in July, and I have been performing according to what I shared, executing. So as of now, it's October. I'll be executing the strategy that I've shared until end of this December. So do like and subscribe. Basically, I provide update on the monthly trade on a per month basis and on the portfolio on a quarterly basis. Happy trading and trade with care. Bye bye.